Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Craft Flosstube. As you can see on my desk, I've got something a little bit different. So I work at Spotlight and I'm a department manager there, and at the moment, you know, we're well into Halloween, and now our Christmas stuff is starting to roll out, but I am making a display for our sewing department. So let me show you what I'm making. So I've got a whole bunch of ribbons, and then I've got these, let me show you these buttons. So I've got little pumpkin and witch hat buttons in that one, and I've got skulls and spiders in that one. So I don't know what I'm going to use those for yet, but they may make an appearance in the project. So let me just scoot all those over there. What I'm making is a wreath. So it only just fits in there. There we go. And these are all using products from Spotlight, and this will be hung in our sewing department. So what I need to do now is make the little ribbon and bows to go in between. So I've got some pipe cleaners or chenille sticks, or yeah, I've always known them as pipe cleaners, and I'm going to make a few little bows to go in between. So I will make one, I'll show you what it looks like, and then make a few more and pop them in. So I will be back in a moment. Right, there's my first bow. So I've just got to fluff around with it, and I'm thinking I may glue one of those buttons in the center, so then that is now ready to go on the wreath. So bring that back in somewhere. So let me carry on decorating this, and I will be back at the end to show you the finished product. Okay, I've cleared the decks and I have finished the wreath, so let me show you. Here it is, all finished. So I've got 3 different kinds of bows using the different ribbons, and I hot glued in some glitter pumpkins. Yesterday I was covered in glitter, orange glitter, and I've glued in little pumpkin buttons. I don't know if you can see them. I think you can. But that's all ready to go, so I'll be taking that back to work today and putting it on display. So I'm happy with how that came out. Everything is all poofy and ready to go. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.